Hello everyone, welcome back to Server Magic's tutorials. Today we're going to discuss how to add domains from an existing WHM account and also how to add a domain to a WHM account that will automatically set up the entire domain on your server with one click. Let's first start by adding an existing domain from a WHM account. Navigate to the Domains tab, then come all the way to the far right and click the plus. Like I said, we're going to be discussing the existing domains on a WHM account first. Make sure to click here at the WHM account dropdown, and you will see from the previous video the WHM test account that I have set up, and you will highlight that and click it. Notice a domain pops up down below. This domain is the only domain on the WHM test server account at this moment. So what you will do is click the check mark box and click add. Now if you have multiple domains, more will pop up and you can click select all, they will auto check, and then you can click add. So this has a bulk add for either current websites and domains that you have on your WHM account, and if you are adding new domains to this particular server, you will be able to bulk add there as well. I will be discussing more about that in another video, but first let's continue on here. Click add. Notice that this domain is now added. It has the server name that it is located on, and then it has 4 buttons. The red X will delete this domain from the account. The yellow is a favorite. If you click this and navigate to the dashboard, which is where the login screen directs you first, you will notice that you have this domain located here. You can now access the cPanel from the home page for that particular domain anytime you need access to that project. Come back to Domains. Again, this green button automatically logs you into the cPanel. Now we will be setting up the WordPress application to this particular domain. When you add a new domain to the server, it will automatically load a plugin that will allow you one-click access to WordPress. If you have existing domains on your server already, you will have to add our plugin to each domain individually. Let's click. You will notice that you need the latest WordPress version, or at least 4.7 or greater, and our WordPress plugin to use this portion of Server Magic. So because these are existing domains and do not have our WordPress plugin automatically loaded, you will have to click here to download the zip file. Once you do that, you need to access your domain, get onto WordPress, and load the plugin. Once you have logged in to your WordPress website that you want to add to Server Magic, same one as before, we will be going to the Plugins tab, Add New. Once we do that, we will upload plugin, click Choose File. Once the plugin has been added, Server Magic, check for updates just to make sure that there are not any more recent updates. Make sure it's activated. Once you know that it's activated, come back to Server Magic. Input the admin and password into the Server Magic username and password sections, then click Save. Once this saves, you should now be able to click the WordPress blue button here and log in. Now you can access your website by one click without having to remember the password and log in. That is all for the tutorial of how to add a existing domain on a WHM server. The next video will be discussing how to add a new domain, and how to automatically add it to your server using certain parameters, changing the IP address, changing the name servers, all with one click. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.